Hello. Good evening, everyone. How are you? Hello, Ken. Okay, comment. Okay, hold on. Hello. Okay, hello, Ken. Okay, comment on Tiguan's Improv United Plantation Hibiscus AZRB. Okay, and hold on. Let me see the sound. Whether hello. Okay, then Tigran. Okay, from 左先生, Shen Feng, Sam Chen, Sansoft. Okay, hold on. Is the sound okay? Okay, hold on. Let me try. Okay. Hello. Testing. Okay. So from Soking, okay, MAA, Wasco, Ventel, Panda. Hello, Patrick. How are you? Hello, Wong. Hello, Anthony. PPHP, TAS, SKP Resources, B Auto, Synergy, FFB, MSM, AAX, Capital A. Okay, finally AAX and Capital A already come back lah. Okay, review HSI, no problem. Hello. Okay, so before that, okay, please help me to click like and also share this video lah. Okay, so at least share to your social media or your group chat so we can get more viewers to tune in. Okay, so today content, let's warm up with the market outlook, which is include the US market, oil, gold, cryptocurrency, and FBM KLCI, follow with the stocks Q&A. Okay, let me know the stocks you want me to review and your plan, whether you are looking for support resistance. Okay, and disclaimer, all our sharing is not a buy or sell recommendation or just for education purposes. Okay, let's warm up first. Okay, please be informed that this Wednesday, okay, is a public holiday. Okay, also is a Bursa holiday lah, workers' day. Okay, as a worker, then we entitled for a day off lah. Okay, but for traders, maybe in Hong Kong or US market, you are still ongoing lah. You still need to trade lah, or you still need to monitor the market. Okay, so let's warm up with the let's see lah, huh? Let's see on the Dow Jones first. Okay, so far Dow Jones last week closing consider is slightly bullish only. Okay, we can see they do have attempt to bounce up, but they are unable to go through 20 weeks moving averages and also unable to go through 38.6k. So in my opinion, is a Dow Jones not so strong. Okay, uh, so take note lah. Okay, if this week close below 37.8k, then need to be careful lah. We may see more bear. Okay, and why? Okay, this weekend, sorry, this Wednesday, okay, second half, US second half, which is 2 a.m. Okay, in the morning. Okay, Malaysia time 2 a.m. 2:30 a.m. is a Fed rate, FOMC statement, and the press conference. Okay, this may impacted on the market sentiment. Okay, so maybe Monday, Tuesday, nothing much, but Wednesday second half is quite important. Maybe it's a Thursday morning Malaysia time. Maybe we see how is the Dow Jones closing. Okay, so for me, Dow Jones is slightly bullish only. For me, it's not so strong. Okay, but on the other hand, S&P is still alright. Okay, they bounce from 20 weeks moving averages. Looks like still alright lah. Okay, so long they stay above 5,000, I think it's still okay lah. Okay, tapi if they close below 5,000, then memang no good lah. Okay, I think these 2 days are like Monday, Tuesday, market should be more on flat lah. Okay, they also pending for the Wednesday things. Okay, and Nasdaq as well. Okay, they recover back above 20 weeks moving averages. So long they are above 17,500s. Okay, maybe still got chance to make a strong comeback. Tapi if they close below this level, we may see some bear lah. Okay, and how about the HSI? Okay, HSI on last week closing for me is considered bullish. Okay, because they have been sideways within this zone for about 2 months already since February until now. Okay, finally last week closed with the bullish candle breakout 17k breakout. Me this morning I think they just break out, then they jalan happy go up. But at the moment, okay, this attract people to take profit and also shorties to come into the market. So I expect for HSI maybe they may come back to retest the support. If when they retest and get supported, they do have chance to revisit 18k or even higher. Okay, so for me, I think this morning is too excited already. So I think market need to retrace to retest the support. Okay, so we see any support over here, 17K to 17,300. Okay, stay above. I think they do have potential to make some comeback lah. Okay, maybe they do have potential to bounce, go way beyond 18K. Okay, so but if they go below 17K, no game lah. Okay, they may continue sideways or more bear will attack. Okay, then next one is let's see. How about the oil price? Okay, oil price last week closing for me is slightly bullish lah. Okay, for me it's still alright. So they already rally out for so many weeks. So a healthy retracement is needed. So far for me, the overall structural momentum for oil price is still okay. So means they still have potential to go up. Okay. So unless they go below $80, then no game lah. Otherwise, I think they are still pretty strong. Okay. At the moment, maybe they just go sideways. Okay, this is a WTI. Okay, so yeah, so I think oil still got potential lah to go up. Okay, on how about the gold price? Okay, at the moment, gold price they macam hit the ceiling already, 2004. Okay, so I am seeing gold might turn weak. Okay, but confirmation is when they break below 2003. Okay, if they go below 2003, memang no good. Okay, stay above, maybe they still got some play lah. But on what I see, I think gold may turn weak. Okay, maybe they need a healthy retracement. Okay, then next one is how about Bitcoin? Okay, Bitcoin at the moment is still weak. Okay, they break below 65K. So at the moment, I think I expect they might retest a 60K or 58K. Okay, so for crypto market is more on sideways at the moment. Okay, even the Ethereum actually the closing is slightly bullish, but I think if Bitcoin not really move, they also more on sideways lah. Okay, and lastly is our FBMK LCI weekly point of view is yeah, very good. Okay, they break above 1560. Okay, which is good. And so long, okay, if they retest 1560, 1550 and get supported, I think our KLCI still got further got chance to go up further. Okay, so at the moment Monday is still all right. Okay, today closing 1582. So the sentiment is still pretty good, and I believe they do have chance to test 1006. Okay, 1006 and 1614. Okay, so please, okay, before we start the stocks Q&A, please help me to click like and also share this video. Okay, we see Facebook only got 20 people plus only and YouTube only 17. Okay, please help me to share the link. Okay, share to your social media or your group or any stocks group also can, or your group chat. Okay, so we can get more viewers to tune in. Okay, let's go for our stocks Q&A. Okay, OFILHI. Okay, let's go. Ken, first one, Tiguan. So got two-person asking about Tiguan. This is not a Volkswagen Tiguan. Okay, Tiguan looks pretty good. Okay, actually the signal came on. Wow, they already rallied out 4 days already. 4 trading days. So actually got two signal. Okay, first time is when they break above 200 MAs. Okay, which is last week's story. Okay, second is last Friday they break above 2 ringgit. So you can see for this Tiguan, they has been around here since September lah. Okay, September until now. Okay, end of April they have been doing a big double bottom and break up 2 ringgit. So they do have chance to turn around. Okay, so they already form a bottom, already break out. Okay, but one thing to take note, they already rally out for 4 days already lah. Okay, not yet profit taking activities. So if happens to have any healthy retracement, I think it's a pretty good chance to uh plan your entry lah. Okay, so far MACD point of view, I think it's still okay. Okay, but if you just want to get in, I feel a little bit risky lah. Okay, as I see already out 4 days. If happen they have any healthy retracement, okay, maybe to 205 or 2 ringgit there, then you can KIV lah. Okay, because they also just break above 200 MA, so I believe even they pull up so much, they also need to have a wash down to retest somewhere around here, maybe 191. Oh, sorry, 194 2 ringgit level. Okay, I guess lah. Okay, so do not FOMO, okay? Do not fear of missing out. Wait for them to retest. Then you can plan. So we can see this T1 has been downtrending for a couple of years, since 2022, we can say. Okay, 2021, 2022 already started to turn weak. Okay, and the big downtrend is since 2022 November. Okay, downtrend until last year, September, October, they started to form a bottom. Okay, right. Oh, those just in conjunction with here. So looks like they do have potential for 2024 to make a comeback. So it's a good watch list. Okay, to take note lah. Okay, at the moment, not the best level to enter, but it's worth to monitor. Okay, so how about the sim prop? Okay, sim prop so far so good. I still haven't seen any weakening yet lah. Okay, even yeah, 870 yet to break down. So I think it's still pretty good. And recently, just today lah, just break above 930. So you can trade this as a breakout. So long they are above 930, they do have potential to go up further. Okay, next level is 1 ringgit already lah, psychology level mah. Okay, plantation. Okay, United Plantation so far so good lah. So far so good. Okay, still okay lah, still okay. They are still above 20 MA. So you speaking about 20 MA, maybe we can put about 24 lah. 24 ringgit. Okay, stay above. I think they are still good. Okay, how about the hibiscus? Hibiscus so far still diam. Okay. Yeah, even though they had a breakout above 265, 268, and then go all the way to 292. As we know, at the moment, oil price is more on sideways, but still favor to the bull. Lah. Okay. So based on what we see on the hibiscus, I think they might go sideways for the time being. So long the price above 265, I guess they are still pretty healthy lah. Okay, just that they need to wait for the oil sentiment to come back. They only can move lah. Otherwise, they just diam only lah. Okay, so how about the AZRB? Let's see, AZRB penny counters. Yeah, if speaking about the trend point of view, they are still slightly bullish. Okay, take note on 220. 220. So long the price above 220, okay, still okay. Tapi the hard resistance 270 lah, they keep trying, unable to break through. Okay, Tiguan covered already. Sengfeng. Sengfeng penny, not penny, dollar stocks. Okay, so long they are above 1 ringgit, I think they are still okay. Then they need to break through one. They need to break through 110. Okay, these counters looks like quite volatile and quite easily to be manipulated. I feel they are quite illiquid. But so far, based on technical point of view, stay above 1 ringgit, I think they are still okay. Okay, they need to break through 110 lah. Okay, how about the Samchen? Samchen today got volume. So far, the price is still above 590. So these counters also have the potential from downtrend. Okay, downtrend since 2022 June, downtrend until last year November. Okay, end of November, they finally made a comeback, go above 200 MAs. So we can see these counters has been consolidated. Okay, since end of December last year until now, they only trading within the range. Okay, you can see these counters has been within the range, but it's in a good side lah. Okay, at least they already above 200 MAs, and overall momentum looks like still favor to the bull. Okay, so for the next big move is to break above this level lah, 655. Okay, once they can clear this level, I think we can see 710, 750. Okay, if unable to go through 655, maybe they might need to sideways for a couple of weeks lah. But overall, I think yeah, this is also one of the counters you can put in your watch list. Okay, so far we got Tiguan, Samchen is worth to monitor. Okay, for the next few months lah, maybe. Okay, so overall, I see the structure is they do have potential to turn around. Okay, from downtrend into sideways, then now slowly into uptrend. Okay, how about the Sensoft? Okay, Sensoft at the moment they are at the hard resistance. You can see since 2022. Okay, they keep tested this level 285. Okay, tested so many times, still unable to go through. Okay, recently they try again. You can see they tested about 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4 trading days already, still unable to break through 285 lah. So, but with the volumes and the momentum, yeah, we need a confirmation. No? Once they can clear, stay above 285, then we can see 310, 320. Okay, so I think based on the overall momentum and the structure point of view, I think they have the chance to break out. Lah. Okay, but I need a confirmation. Okay, I cannot say they can break out. Okay, I need a confirmation for them to break above and close above. Okay, here also you can see they tested also multiple times. 1, 2, 3. Oh, the fourth time only successful. Okay, this time maybe they might sideway, wait for story to happen, then only can break through. Okay, so long they are above 260, still worth to monitor. Okay, next one is a Pekat SFP Tech focus point. Okay, we go for the Pekat first lah. Okay, Pekat breakout lah. So these counters also, if you remember just now, the Samchun and which one? Tiguan, right? This also similar. We can see these counters are since 2021 has been in downtrend. So they started to form a bottom. Okay, last year. Okay, so from here you can see the low is getting higher. Okay, or you can say, sorry, or you can see, eh, not so nice. I draw like this. You can see they have been consolidated. Okay, recently break up. Okay, then we zoom in further lah, so we can see closer. Okay, recently they already break above 200 MAs, and you can see 20 MAs here, 50 MA finally cross over 200 MAs, 100 MA yet to crossover. But so far you can see they are still bullish. Okay, it's quite bullish, and the price is quite far away from the 20 MA. So yeah, and also last week break above the last year January resistance 540. Okay, and they are approaching the resistance of 2022 August, which is about 565. So for me, they are very bullish now. If you already in, you can consider to take some partial lah. Okay, wait for the next wash down, then you re-enter lah. Okay, so far I can see they are a little bit overbought. Okay, so any healthy retracement, I think, is an opportunity to take note lah. Okay, and their hard support, I would say somewhere around here, about 50 cents. Okay, because they have been very hard resistant here. Okay, this breakout also is a false breakout lah. So yeah, if happen, they can come back to retest somewhere around 50 cents or five something, then you can see lah. Okay, at the moment, I think these counters, yeah, they do have potential to make a U-turn. Okay, make a U-turn. So wait for them to have some correction, then you can get a better price. Otherwise, you chase now is a little bit risky as they quite close to the resistance. Okay, how about SFP Tech? Okay, forming a bottoming. Okay, form a potential bottoming. Okay, this is what I see. MACD also crossed up. So yeah, they do have potential based on what I see on the volume. Okay, this one they attempt to sell down, manage to recover back. Okay, so you can see they do accumulated a lot volumes over here. Here also got volumes. Friday today also got volumes. Okay, so looks like these counters, they do have potential to form a bottoming. Okay, so immediate support 740. Most importantly, cannot close below 695 lah. Okay, below 695, most likely is a fear case already. Okay, so these counters also, they need to break through 80 cents. Yeah, why 80 cents? It was their support. Okay, break down already, turn into resistance. Okay, once they can clear 80 cents, they do have chance to have some bounce up lah. Maybe go to 870, which was a support back then, turn into resistance, and also is a 200 MAs. Also is a gap lah. I think it's a gap also 915. So you can see your resistance 80 cents, 870, 915. Okay, so potential rebound, yes. Okay, and risk, yeah, of course, our success rate will be lower because we are against the trend. Okay, how about the focus point? Focus point still below 200 MAs, okay, even though you can see back in 2023, which is last year, they do have a good uptrend. Then they wash down. Okay, then you can see last year September onwards. Okay, they already break below 200 MAs. So by zooming in, what you can see here is, okay, once they break below 200 MAs, they keep get resisted by 200 MAs. Even the breakout also macam not so strong. It's a false breakout lah. Okay, breakout fail, then kena rejected. So I would say focus point not so strong. Okay, even they can go up. You take note on the resistance 750, 785. Okay, this one I not super confident lah. I would say maybe they have chance to go up. Tapi you take note on the resistance. Okay, 750 or 785 only. Okay, because 785 is a hard resistance. Okay, for them to turn around, I feel not so easy. Okay, short term point of view, yeah, they do have some momentum to go up lah. Tapi for them to go up further, you still need to KIV. Okay, not so confidence. Okay, how about So King? Okay, from MAA. Still there, this one. I thought they kena. Okay. Okay, this one. This one or this one, you can see this counter is in the downtrend, right? And even sideways, you can see the chart is quite illiquid. Okay, what I see is not many people trade these counters. Okay, but if you already entered, okay, 390 Hainan Ho. Okay, for me, I won't trade this counter lah. Okay, based on technical, I would avoid this one because I don't know how to trade. Okay, because you can see the candle is koyak one, then they can suddenly gap up so much, then sell down. For me, is I won't risk my money into them lah. Okay, but if you still maybe believe in their fundamental or what, okay, take note on 355 low. Okay, I believe the next couple of weeks maybe they will go sideways to low. Okay, not until that they are in the downtrend. Okay, the trend momentum still acceptable. Okay, so long the price above 355, I think it's still okay. Maybe you read on the fundamental or what lah. I don't know lah. Okay, but technical point of view, yeah, we will avoid this one lah. Okay. Trend point of view, at least these counters is more on sideways. So your risk is slightly lower. Lor. Okay, if they are in the downtrend, then I will ask you to be careful already lah. Okay, how about the Wasco? Okay, Wasco 想进场. Okay, want to enter. So they are quite far from the 20 MA already lah. Okay, so even today got the profit taking activities. Okay, yesterday they do sorry, not yesterday. Friday they do pump out, but today they do sell down. Okay, they makan the whole candle already. So for me is yeah, best is to wait for them to retrace. Okay, so they are quite far from the 20 MA. So best to wait for them to revisit 20 MA. Okay, at the moment 20 MA is about 133 lah. Okay, so you can wait around 133, 135 there. Okay, so wait for them to retest 20 MA minimum. Okay, then only consider to plan lah. Okay, then how about the Wentel? Got discounters. Oh, already got ada. Oh, no wonder I don't know lah. Too new already. Okay, but I think I do review before lah. The lines is still here. Okay, Wentel. Wentel is still in the sideway. Okay, I see nothing yet, but at least you can see since February until now. Okay, these counters just in the sideway. Okay, and new counters lah. We don't know their attitude. Okay, or their characteristic. Okay, maybe this also possible that they bought a lot on the first day or before IPO, and they do sideway to dispose their ticket. Okay, this also possible one. Okay, we still don't know what they want to do. At the moment, based on the trend point of view, we can say they are in the sideway until they break above or break below. Okay, break below 310, not nice lah. Okay, otherwise more on sideway. And how about the panda? Kung Fu Panda. Let's see. Okay, panda still in the uptrend. This also new counters lah. So they also after IPO sideways for about 1 month. Yeah, sideways for about 1 month, then break out 225 and go into uptrend. So at the moment, these counters I would say they are still in the uptrend. Okay, still in the uptrend. So most importantly, 280. Okay, stay above 280. I would say they still healthy lah. Okay. Yeah. Another thing is new counters. So we don't know their characteristic or yeah behavior what they will do. But so far based on trend is still okay. So long above 280, I guess they still got heart to push it lah. Okay, next one from Anthony. How about TAS? R1, R2, S1, S2. Okay, TAS, last Thursday open gap up a lot, then Friday another pump up, and actually they hit my target lah, which is about 750. Okay, if we scroll back into 2015, you can see here the whole 2015, their hard resistance is around here 750, 775. Oh, you can see since 2015 January until 2016 January, okay, whole year already. This level they still unable to go through. 750, 775. Okay, definitely is my one of my resistance. Okay, if looking for the next one, I would say is a gap down back in 2014. Okay, 865. Okay, this would be our resistant one, resistant two. Okay, so for me support I would prefer put somewhere around 685 650 level lor. Okay, how about the PHB? Okay, today breakout breakout above 840 850. Okay, they finally break above the 2023 February resistance. Zoom out again. They are at the okay, we can say they break out above 2020 December 2021 January resistance, which is at 840. And where's their next resistance? Yeah, 2020 January February resistance, okay, which is somewhere around 905. So take note on your next resistance is a 905. And if speaking about their extreme level, okay, maybe we put yeah extreme level 980, which happened in 2020 February. Okay, so resistance turn support. So take note on your support 850, 840. Okay, how about the SKP resources? So far so good, still going up. Okay, tapi they already hit the first resistance, okay, which was a gap down back in July 23. Okay, turn into resistance. Okay, back in September, they tested, unable to go through. 104 definitely is your first resistance. And your next resistance is the June resistance. Okay, 111, triple one. Okay, triple one, 104 would be your R1, R2. And support, I will put back here lah. Okay, 1 ringgit low, psychology level, 1 ringgit, 955, 930. Okay, how about the B Auto? Let's see. Okay, B Auto for me, they looks a little bit topish. Okay, I feel they macam might break down. Okay, but yet to break down lah. So we can see since last year October until now, they have been like struggle, or unable to go through 245, 240 level. Okay, so this one looks like okay, like triple top punya feeling lah. So meaning if they break below 230 to 28, then you need to be careful already lah. Break below memang not so nice lah. Stay above still got chance lah. So here also in conjunction with the 200 MAs. Okay, 228. Stay above still got chance lah. Break below not so nice. And what I see here is they might break. Okay, if they break, maybe they will go to 220 or 215 level. Okay, so I think they are more on sideways and short term point of view a little bit weak. Okay, how about the synergy? Still super bullish. Review. Okay, nothing much I can comment. I will say they are still bullish. Okay, if we use the Fibonacci to agak-agak on the resistance, the big trend 116. Okay lah, should be okay lah. We can put about 170 is their next resistance. Okay, at the moment for me, I more recommend to do a trading stop already. Okay, meaning you can use a today's low, okay, which is somewhere around 137, or yeah, today's low. Let me see, where is it? 136. Okay, you use 136 as your trading stop. Okay, so long the price goes sideways, do whatever they want. So long they didn't close below 136, you still can fight for the further upside. Tapi if they tomorrow straight close below 136, then you cabut first lah. Okay, I also see a little bit overbought, but yet to show any weakening yet. Okay, so yeah, you can do a trading stop. If tomorrow another candle up, you only move your trading stop to the next level. So you slowly throw the profit. Okay, how about the FFB? Got buy milk. You need to buy their milk only can support their share. Okay, so far so good lah. Okay, just that the movement quite slow lah. Okay, but I can say they are quite slow and steady lah. Okay, since last year July. Okay, they are from 105 slowly move out until 150 until today. Okay, we can see last year, end of last year, already break above the 200 MAs. So far, you can see they are quite steady lah. Okay, you can see the trend is quite steady. Just that the price appreciation is very slow. Okay, so yeah, the volume wise, I think is still pretty bullish or still pretty healthy lah. Okay, trend point of view, 20 MA, 50 MA, 100 MAs, 200 MAs also, yeah, also okay, still okay. So this one I think is still all right, still okay. Just that you need to expect they are slow, okay, and they are going to fill the gap. Okay, they have a gap down back in May 2023. Okay, means last year only, about 1 year ago already. So this is a gap they need to fill. Okay, at the moment they already break above 149. So next level to fill is 154. So yeah, expect they walk slowly. Okay, yeah. So next one is MSM. Let's see. Okay, MSM is still okay, yet to break below 3 ringgit. So we cannot say they are not good yet lah. So, but technically already show a little bit weakening. Okay, one of the things is they break below 20 MA already. Okay, so a confirmation is break below 3 ringgit lah. Below 3 ringgit, then short term not so strong. Okay, but if they can keep on stay above 3 ringgit, then would be okay for them. Okay, how about AAX? Okay, finally they made a comeback lah. Okay, finally they try to fly lah. Okay, first signal was from Friday. Okay, we can see they have a huge volume on Friday, pump out, break above 130, which is a 20 MA. Today another pump, open gap up, close high, another high volumes. So where they might visit, okay, is a gap resistant. Okay, they have a gap down back in 1st of March. Okay, so we see where's a gap resistant. So take note on this level 164, 170 is your resistance to take note. Or if they can clear, you only see somewhere around 188 lah. Okay, if unable to clear, this is your resistance. Okay, capital A as well. You can see lah, they already form a bottoming here, even though I feel not so confident with them. Okay, Friday they also have a signal, high volume pump up. Okay, the only thing is Friday they are unable to break through 735 lah. Okay, you can see they just sideways. Okay, then today market open gap up, close high. So next destination, okay, take note on the support turn resistant, okay, which is also 200 MAs level. So take note somewhere around 810, 825. Okay, this is your resistance zone. Okay, take note they are below 200 MAs. So we just trade this as a rebound only, okay, not reversal or what. Okay, maybe lah, they already collected before the news come out. So now news come out already, they try to pump out to, yeah, maybe do some profit taking activities or what. Okay, so yeah, if you enter earlier, then okay lah. Okay, if you just plan to go in, yeah, maybe you need to think twice. Okay, how about the BP plus? Don't chase when the news out lah. For me is when you trade based on the news. Most likely kena one. Maybe 1-2 times you might lucky lah. Okay, you trade on the news, but most of the time is a trap lah. Okay, and out become a long term shareholders. Okay, B plus today break out above 133 with volumes. Okay, so take note on the resistance. Okay, which is the gap. Okay, gap based on the back in 22. Okay, 2022 September 138 142. Okay, this is your R1 R2. And if happen, they can go up further, probably 147 lah. Okay, this one I see the trend overall is still okay lah. Only the chart is quite illiquid looking lah. Okay, and since they break out 133, 10 on 133. So around the price above 133, still okay. Trend wise, volumes boleh tahan. Just I not so light because of the liquidity. Okay, tapi if you suka, then I think it's still okay lah. Not, yeah, still okay. How about the Tenaga? Yeah, weather is still hot lah. Okay, they still can earn money lah. So far Tenaga is still okay, and my target, okay, my immediate resistance now, not target 12 ringgit. Okay, is my immediate resistance. How about the Maybank? Maybank Maybank is still okay. Okay, even though I feel they are quite topish, but they are still okay. Okay, they have a breakout above 974 on Tuesday, right? 23rd of April. Then at the moment they are retesting the support lah, 974 closing 975. I feel they are still okay. Tapi if you take note on your immediate resistance is about 988, and yeah, if market want to go bullish, next level is 10 ringgit already, which is the uh psychology level. So far I still haven't seen any yeah, only MACD looks a little bit topish, a little bit weak, but the price action, all I feel they are still okay. Okay, they are still okay. Then a little bit overbought only lah. So depends on your intention lah. If you plan to take exit in the this couple of weeks time, I think now okay lah. You can consider 988 is your immediate resistance. Okay, unless you plan for long term, then it's still okay lah. TP for capital A. Okay, just now share on the resistance already. And we next go for the QES. TP. QES, last week they tested 560, even though I hope they can come back to 540, 545 lah. Tapi tak ada lah. They just bounced from 560. Okay, tapi they macam unable to go through 60 cents. Today macam got a resistance at 60 cents. So I would say 60 cents would be my immediate resistance. Okay, unless they can go through, then 625 low. So at least you know your R1, R2 at where, and your immediate support 580. And so many people. Okay, same person, capital A. EP at 655. Okay, I'll go back to Tony lah. 655. Still okay lah. Your EP is very, very low. I can say you entered at the lowest price. Bargain. This one is a bargain. So far so good lah. So far so good. So for me, your resistance, yeah, I hope they still can push up further lah. 80 cents plus minus which is close to the 200 MAs. So I would say 810, 825. Yeah, not sure whether they can push to there or not, but this would be your hard resistance. Okay. So VS, Muhiba, Senfeng. Senfeng covered already. We go for the VS. VS. Today rejection macam strong juga. You can see the price action pretty bearish. Okay, tapi they haven't break down lah. So take note on 90 cents. Okay, stay above 90 cents is still okay. Tapi if they break below 90 cents, they may go to 880 860 level. Okay, what I see on today's candle itself looks like the profit taking activities. If they break below 90 cents, then they may revisit here 860 or 840. But if they can get supported, then it's a good news lah. Okay, if they can stay above 90 cents, or you can give them a buffer until 895. Stay above, still okay lah. And Mohiba. Okay. Okay, still in the uptrend. They are still quite following the 20 MAs. Okay, only MACD looks not so strong, tapi the overall trend point of view for Mohiba is pretty good. Okay, since 2022 December, they already above the 200 MAs. Okay, just that they sideways quite long. You can see since last year February, they have been sideways, until end of December. They only started to break up above the 80 cents level. Okay, so this one still in the uptrending mode, and take note on your resistance, 965 and 1 ringgit. Okay, next one is task we covered already. If you're looking for the EP, no lah, too high already, don't chase already. And Cloud Point, okay, Cloud Point has been ready out for about 3 to 4 trading days already. Today more on the profit taking activities, so wait for them to retest probably the support about 635 630 take note about around there. Okay, maybe 625 635 lah. We see any support over there. Okay, then next one would be OFI. I think okay if you are interested. Okay, at least yeah, even though miss out the best level lah, which is around 188, tapi it's okay. At least they can prove that they are trying to support it here. Okay, they are trying to defend this level. And today do have some volume pump out. Okay, closing 204. So for me, if interested, somewhere around 1982 ringgit. Okay, as your immediate support. Okay, this one still pretty bullish. Okay, so take note 2 ringgit 198 lah. Okay, how about the Scomnet? Whole TP. Hey, still okay. Okay, we can see Scomnet, they have a good volume spike out on last Wednesday, okay, 24th of April. They break above the 138140 level. Okay, you can see they have been resisted here for so many months. Finally, they've break out already. Okay, so at the moment they are like at testing the resistance 153 lah. So I can see today, even though they have attempt to sell down, but the closing price is they managed to close high. Volume ada. So I think this counter is still okay, so long the closing price is above 145. And they need to clear 153. Okay, once they can clear 153, you may see more upside lah. And they sideways for so long already, finally break out. Okay, I guess the rally not yet end lah. Okay, tapi if your size is big, no harm to slowly take partial when they on the way go up. Okay, and reference, okay, if they are able to clear 153, 161 would be your next destination. And ultimately, okay, we is a 2022 resistant 177. So take note 153, 161, 177. Okay, how about the UEMS? Let me drink some water. UEMS still in the uptrend. Okay, let me see. Okay, this counter is still in the uptrend. Just that maybe due to the overbought, they need to have some healthy retracement, go sideways dulu. Okay, and today they go back above the 105, which is above the 50 MA. So for me, they are still in a good shape. Okay, only MACD looks not so strong like that, tapi I see the overall structure all is still okay. Okay, just maybe at the moment they just want to go sideways lah. Okay, but for me they are still okay. Okay, they are still okay. How about the LHI? chicken, this one. Okay, still nothing much, I would say. But at least, okay, the only good points is this counter is still above 200 MAs, which is somewhere around 565, 570. So if we zoom out, okay, all this while what happened? Since end of 2022 lah, okay, they already break above 200 MAs. Okay, you can see quite similar pattern. They pump out, they have a gap down, sideway at the 200 MAs for a couple of months, and then rally up again. Okay, so this is back in 2023 May. Now, okay, here also 2023 November. Okay, they also sideway here, right? Rally up, kena sell down. Okay, then also at 200 MAs, go up again. This one kena gap down. Now back to 200 MAs. So meaning this LHI so long they can stay above 200 MAs, or so long even they break down, they manage to recover back above 200 MAs, they are still got hope lah. Okay, they still got hope lah. So at the moment they are at 200 MAs, so I assume they still got chance. And the last defense I used the lowest lah, which is about 555. So means so long the closing price above 555 maybe still got chance lah. Okay, and they need to break above 60 cents. Only got some show lah. Otherwise, they might just go sideways. They need to break above 60 cents. Then only got chance to go up. Otherwise, I think they might go sideways. And if they go below 555, maybe not so nice. Okay, so I think these counters also macam move by the news as well. Okay, if you remember correctly, uh, previously these few spike out are also macam because of the news lah. Okay, EP for Bitcoin. Finally got people ask about Bitcoin already. Okay, Bitcoin, I not suggest to use futures or the margin to buy lah. Okay, better to use a spot lah. Okay, buy the spot lah. Otherwise, they are quite volatile. Okay, so take note on the support. Okay, 58K, 60K. Okay, this is your support for Bitcoin. Okay, let me go back to, let me see the Nasdaq, how they doing. Okay, still okay lah. Okay, let's see. Next one is ACO. ACO still in the sideway. Okay, I would say pending for the breakout. Okay, momentum boleh tahan. Yeah, waiting only lah. Okay, you can see since last year November and then now these counters they are just in the sideway lah. Okay, trading within 215 to 240. So pending for the break above 240. Okay, once they break, then at least you can see some upside lah. Okay, otherwise they might sideway forever until something happen lah. Okay, any EP for GHL system? Okay, GHL just happened only. You can see they have a huge volume on 18th of April. Breakout above 200 MA, retest supported. Okay, go back above 200 MAs. So far, I would say they still got chance lah. Okay, they still got chance lah. So for me, a more attractive level would be 680, 705. Okay, wait for the price to retest, then you can KIV lah. Okay, Wong today wake up, got volume, can go. Wong Fei Hong, correct. Cannot, Wong Fei Hong gonna bite already this one. Okay, so what we can see on this Wong, okay, we zoom out, we see the big trend. Okay, the big trend for Wong, since 2022 February, okay, ever since the first break below 200 MAs, you can see they not really able to break through the 200 MAs. Okay, which is a orange line. Okay, even here also fail back in 2023. Then here also same. Okay, break up few days only. July. Then go back today. What happened? Okay, even though today ada volumes lah, tapi you can see they only break. Okay, they only test the 200 MAs, but kena rejected down. So if you see based on the body only, opening here, high was here, closing here. So means the market open gap up, push all the way up, but by end of day, gonna press down. So you can see the bearish momentum, okay, the profit taking activities, I would say this Wong is not so strong yet. Okay, not so strong yet. Okay, morning pump out, then gonna wash down in 11:30. Okay, so if you're still interested, yeah, I think still can monitor like if you want, since they have a huge volume. So we want to see what they will do next. Okay, if tomorrow closing is a bearish candle like that, then no game already lah. Confirm go down already. Okay, tapi if tomorrow because with such volume if they willing to stay above 30 cents, okay, stay above 30 cents, maybe only worth to KIV. So I think I need one more days to do a confirmation, okay, to be safe, to be safe. Okay, so yeah, we monitor again lah. We see how it's going. And how about the Saipak? Okay. Yeah, please take note tomorrow last trading days Wednesday holiday then market come back on Thursday, okay? Market come back on Thursday, then and Friday lah. So for Saipak, I think not that strong already because they also tested to break through 1 ringgit. Okay, tapi the price already break down below 1 ringgit, break down below 99 cents. Today break below 20 MA. So for me, it's not that strong. Okay, MACD also crossover already. So I expect they might come back down to retest 90 cents. So take note on 90 cents. Any chance? Wait lah. Okay, wait for them to retest 90 cents. And also they just break above 200 MAs so maybe they may come back down to retest. So still okay to monitor, tapi wait for them to come back down lower lah. SNS. Okay, SNS still doing nothing, tapi the overall structure is still okay. Okay, 350 is still supported. So most importantly, just remember two level only, 335, 350. Okay, so if they can stay above the overall structure, still got chance to go up. Okay, tapi if they break below, sorry lah, tak cantik already. Okay, 335. Okay, Zunzen still okay Let me see I see mother first Oh, mother still okay They still yet to break below 30 cents tapi a little bit weak lah Just warning only, a little bit weak. Okay, Sun point of view still above 125, and I have no comment yet. Okay, tapi I would say both of them a little bit weak only. Okay, Carex still diam you use Carex, you must diam lah maybe. Yeah, memang still diam Okay, so I would say they are more into consolidation. Okay, more on sideway. Okay, a little bit bearish divergence, but not so important. Okay, most importantly is this level cannot break. Okay, this level cannot break. 780, 785 cannot break. Okay, cannot break. If break, be a father days already lah. Okay, so 780 cannot break. If break, memang not nice. Then yeah, other than that, still okay lah. If they break below, then maybe they got chance go to 70 cents like that lah. Okay, so Carex tenor on 780 cannot break this one. Okay, tapi they memang boring lah. You can see since January until now. The price macam same level. Okay, 780, 880 like that only go sideways. So even though you buy on January or February you go travel come back, the price still the same. Okay, memang boring. Tapi still okay lah. Above 780 then okay. Okay, EDL. Oh, got EL inside, tapi they break down already. Okay, EDEL break below 340. So for me, not that nice. Okay, not that nice. Unless tomorrow they can recover back above 340. Otherwise, I would say not so nice already lah. Oh, and I think they might come back down to, yeah, you can see because they have a uptrend, right? So they trying to support it here, tapi today macam not managed to get supported lah, closing 335. So based on what I see here is they might go to 320 or 310 level. Okay. Tomorrow if they didn't recover back, then not so nice lah. Okay, this counter is below 200 MA, so our success rate would be lower lah. Okay, how about Powerwell? Powerwell. Powerwell macam macam a big shooting star, still got power. Uh, I need to see tomorrow already. Okay, what happened? Okay, I explained on today's candle. Okay, you can see today they have a huge volumes. So what is the price action tell us? Today they open gap up. Okay, then they push all the way up here, and by end of day, they gonna press down. Okay, to 445. So for me, this candle is like more on seller lah. Okay, based on what I see. So okay, so means 445, right? This was a resistance, now turn support. Okay, if tomorrow they can close with a bullish candle, maybe still got power. Okay, tapi if tomorrow they break below, means this is a false breakout already lah. Maybe with some news, they attract many retailers to jump in at 9 a.m. Then they shake them lah. Okay, so if tomorrow they close below 445, memang not so good lah. Maybe they will go back to the sideways zone. Okay, if tomorrow with a bullish candle, maybe they got chance lah. And next one, okay, QES, VS still can hold. Okay, for me, QES just now covered already. So for me, QES looks like they not really able to break through 60 cents. So you take note on 580. Okay, if tomorrow they close below 580, macam tak berapa bullet lah. Okay. Hopefully they can go back above 60 cents, then okay. Okay. Otherwise, I will feel not so power already. Okay. Here also they macam resisted by the 20 MA as well. So for me, not so strong, not so strong. Okay. And also VS today looks like a shooting star candle. So you turn on 90 cents. Okay. 90 cents, 895. Okay, stay above, got chance. Go below, maybe they might retrace down a little bit more lah. Okay, for me, this two candle is for more sensitive one. I think by end of day, they already exit first lah. Okay, and for those who need a confirmation, we need a next day confirmation lah. Okay, if because they yet to break below. Okay, and Opstar. Opstar, let's see. Oh, not really jalan. They still sideways. Okay, even though Thursday got a rejection here. Just like this. Okay. Even though Thursday they got a shooting star like candle or high volume. Tapi Friday not really sell down. So for me it's considered invalid. So the chances is still there. Okay. If the next day or got this candle, next day is a bearish candle, then memang not so nice already. Okay, for this one, I think still acceptable. Okay, because they not really go anywhere yet. So maybe I will put about 120. Okay, stay above 120. I think it's still okay lah. Okay, this is Opstar and Coraza Microlin. What time already? Oh, 9:30 already. Now I only realize. Okay, so Coraza, okay, baru go back above the 200 MAs. So far, I think they are still okay. Short term point of view, they are still pretty strong. Okay, long term point of view, they are just break above 200 MAs. Okay, so I would say still okay. So let me see what you want. Okay, EP. If looking for EP, yeah, I think better wait somewhere around 520 like that lah. Okay, would be safer. Okay, at the moment, yeah, at the moment, I think wait dulu lah, wait dulu. Yeah, for immediate support is 550 lah. Okay, 550. But I'm not so confident to enter at here lah. If for me, even though I see this is my immediate support, I would prefer wait somewhere safer, which is somewhere around 520. Okay, then next one is Microlin. Oh, this one is in the bad shape. Okay, is in the bad shape because they have a strong sell on March. Okay, 11 and 12. So recently, we can say today they finally got some volume pump out. So for me, this is just a rebound trade. Okay, if you are interested, our low was a 280. Okay, our resistance about 380. Okay, today at the volume go back above 20 MA, so we can use 325 as our immediate support. Okay, if they go below 310, then memang not so nice lah. Okay, tapi this one, I would say very high risk lah. Okay, very high risk because they just encounter a strong sell. So this bounce out will attract a lot of seller to sell lah. So not so easy for them to come back. Okay, next one is BGF, Penang Girlfriend. This one, yeah. Okay, let's go. Oh, long-term uptrend counters, huh? So far so good. This one, okay. Not much comment. I would say the trend is still okay. Okay, so the price is still above 20, 50 MA, 100 MA, 200 MA is still here. So I would say they are still in a good shape. Okay, so now my immediate support is a 180 lah. Okay, above 180, I think this one is still pretty good. Okay, and how about the SDS? Yeah, this one is still okay lah. Recently, they go back above the 80 cents level. So I would say so long they are above 785, they are still in a good shape lah. MACD also about to cross out. Okay, the only thing, okay, a small concern for me is when they come up, the volume okay only lah. So we want to see when they retest whether they can get supported or not. Okay, if they can get supported, the trend might continue to go up. Okay, so let's go for the next one. Maclin, not McLaren. Okay, 255 means is a penny counters in liquid. Okay, recently at the volume pump in, so they already form a second trend already. You can see they pump out, pump out. Okay, so this Maclin no game liao. I think still got game, tapi at least you need to acknowledge this counter is I would say is a high risk counters Okay, they used to have a pump and dump. You can see back in 2020. Okay, pump and dump. Here also 2021 pump and dump. So at the moment, I would say the game macam just started lah. Okay, game just started. So resistance 340. Okay, game just started. So long the price above 230. Okay, above 230, I think it's still okay. But if they go below 230, then we need to review again. Maybe not so nice already. Okay, so at least you can see they just started second trend only lah. So game ada, tapi risk, yeah, memang high risk lah. Okay, MRCB is still okay. A little bit divergence, but I would say still okay lah. Acceptable. And slow, just slow only lah. Okay, so this one above 635, I would say they are still okay. AGX. AGX Group. Okay, new counters sell down on the first day of IPO, 7th of February. Okay, then found a bottom on 19th of April. Then they bounce up. When they bounce up, the volumes boleh tahan saja lah, Oh, yeah, take note on here. They have a gap. Oh, sorry. 335, 345. Okay, this is a gap resistant. Okay, for me, I have no comment on them. I prefer wait for them to stabilize, then we only see. New counters only. February until now, okay, about 2 months plus only. Still not really know how they will move the market. Okay, TM. Telecom. Telecom, they memang very strong. You can see since last year, October, they jalan quite fast. Okay, macam going up to KK already. Okay, so far so good. Okay, take note on your hard resistance 620 only lah. Other than that, I would say so long they are above 6 ringgit, should be still alright. Okay, the only here they have a little bit resistant at 620 lah. Okay, maybe they will go sideways for the time being. Okay, a bit boring, tapi at least they are in the uptrend. Tenaga covered already, so we skip lah. Otherwise, we need to talk until 11 lah. Okay, JHM, EP, 1 to 5 ah. Okay, what we can see here, at least MACD crossover, okay, sloping up, okay, at least, okay, this indicate that no longer that bearish. Okay, tested bottom for a couple of time, tested bottom for a couple of time. At least we can see they tested 1, 2, 3. Okay, still get supported. Stay above 560. Okay, or you can say they stay above 555 lah. Okay, 555. Okay, so this one I delete first. So at least we can see they do have a potential bottoming at here, even though they washed down a couple of times already. So recently they go back up with some volumes, closing price 580. Okay, if you interested, okay, just remember your cut loss is below 555. Okay, means if the closing price below 555, cut loss. Okay, so from 580 to 555, if you're okay with the risk, then okay. Or another way, pending for the breakout. Okay, 60 cents. Wait for them to break above 60 cents, retest, supported. You only plan for the entry. Okay, this would be a much safer approach. Just that you cannot get the lower price only lah. Okay, because you need a confirmation. So like buy insurance like that lah. Okay, if you want a confirmation, you need to buy a little bit premium. Okay, if they happen, they can break above 60 cents. Maybe got chance to fill the gap, which is somewhere around 655, 695. Okay, so this one, I think still other chance you can KIV. The only thing below 200 MAs lah. So success rate would be slightly lower. Okay, also a watch list to KIV lah. Okay, next one is airport. Oh, airport breakout on Friday. Tapi today makan back. Okay, capital A we covered already, so we only review airport. Okay, so far airport so good lah, huh? Still above 20 MA. So most importantly, airport cannot break below 960. Okay, macam 10 ringgit macam is their resistance already. If we okay lah, take here lah. 1010, okay, 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay, maybe they might just go sideways like that. Okay, below 960, no good. Stay above 960, still okay. Okay, they are still in the uptrend this one. Salute. Salute macam sudah jalan lama. Let me see. Yeah, Salute actually they early got some signal already back in February. They break above 200 MAs, then they wash down again, and second attempt on 15th of March. Okay, high volume pump up. Tapi they also sideways for 1 month plus already lah. Okay, for me, okay, you say looks like have a rebound soon. I guess yes. Okay, I would agree with that. Okay, so take note. Okay, 740. Okay, so long the price is above 740, yeah, they do have chance to challenge 880 or 1 ringgit level lah. Okay, tapi if they go below 740, then not so nice lah. Not so nice. So we can see they break up sideways for 1 month plus already. So yeah, I don't know they want to move by the news or what lah. So maybe they need to sideways for another. Yeah, you need to wait loh. You need to have a patient. Okay, my EG. Finally they made a comeback. Okay, previously I do comment this counter is quite boring. Okay, because they just go sideways. Okay, even last week I comment they are more on weakening side because they are below 200 MAs already. Okay, suddenly, okay, Friday they make a strong comeback, break out above 840, 865, which is the resistance here. Okay, so today they tested the resistance here. Okay, which is the December 22 and February 23 resistance. Okay, about 930 would be their immediate resistance. So far I would say the breakout is quite successfully. Okay, so long they are above 840 lah, then okay lah. So I think it's still okay lah. Just that today more on profit taking activities. I think they are unable to go through 930 already, right? So I expect they might retrace down to maybe 880 865 to test the support. Okay, if they can go sideways and get supported, I guess still okay, still ada chance lah. Okay, because this is a hard resistance lah. Oh, they need to respect. Okay, so maybe need to retrace a bit. Okay, VS cover already, so we need to skip lah. Okay, I talk too slow already. Okay, OCQ is still okay, so long they are above 570, still okay, and resistance 610. Okay, SCOMNET cover already. Okay, pretty good lah. Okay, and how about the KSL? Okay, KSL still okay lah, still in the uptrending. Okay, so far I haven't seen any sign of weakening or whatever. I would say, yeah, still in a good trend. Okay, so long above 160, still all right. Okay, capital A, capital A coverage. 第一次温室要拿牌。Okay, 第一次温室 help me to share will do. Okay, help me to share. Your chart record up to 50 years. Yeah, impossible 50 years lah. Should be 20 years plus only a maximum. Okay, I'm using a trading views lah. Okay, so 50 years, I think impossible lah. Okay, I think 20 years plus are the max. Okay, if the record is more than 20 years, I think it's quite meaningless already lah. Okay, for Notion, so far okay, so far so good. Okay, Wednesday, Thursday they do pump out. Friday and today more on some small profit taking, small retracement. So maybe I put down the line to 540. Okay, take note 540 for Notion. So long the price above 540, the short-term momentum all I think is still pretty good. Okay, still okay. And the trend macam yeah, also turning up lah. Or at least they are above 200 MAs already. Yeah, most importantly is you can see the 20 MA, 50 MA, 100 MA, 200 MA looks like the quite strong lah. Okay, the momentum looks okay. So this one is still okay. Sense of cover already. We go for the EMCC. Okay, MAA also cover already. Okay, EMCC more on sideways. At the moment, I would say they are more on not so strong because they break below 20 MA already. Break 485 already. So short term point of view not so strong. I assume you can see even I zoom in show you what happened these few days. Okay, they break down on 19th of April, right? So you can see they tested. Oh, macam kit resisted by 485. Okay, not so strong. So I assume the coming days they might go sideways lah. Okay, go sideways until they can go back above 485. Baru ada hope. Okay, otherwise discounters short term more on sideways. Okay, long term point of view, they are still okay lah. At least above 100 MA, above 50 MA. Okay, if below 460, most likely not so good lah. Okay, MA cover already. Opstar, okay. Oppa sudah review, okay. Have a look on Dialog. Okay, Dialog still okay lah. Still in the uptrend, already above 200 MAs. Okay, recently break above 240. So take note on your immediate support 240. Stay above is still okay. Take note on your next resistance 260. Okay, discounters, I guess no problem lah. Should be alright. Okay, Luxchem. Okay, Luxchem is still okay. Recently break above 570, closing 580. Okay, and next resistance 610. Okay, these counters also has the potential. Okay, from the downtrend to uptrend. Okay, so recently they just sideways lah since November until now more on sideways. So recently tried to break out already. Ada volume follow up. So I guess yeah, ada hope ada hope. Evaluate trend and resistance for icon. 80 cents. Trend, uptrend. Okay, trend is uptrend. Then resistance 880. Why I put here? Oh, here memang ugly 2020 punya. Okay, never mind. I use a recent one. Okay, I put here lah. Okay, take note on your resistance 830. Okay, at least this counter is still in the uptrending mode. Okay, and they tested twice already. About 830, 835 is the immediate resistance. Okay, support 620, 670. Okay, if they are able to clear 830, then 1 ringgit should be okay lah. Huh? At least these counters at the moment what I see lah is in the uptrending. Okay, but I guess yeah, due to split the stocks become looks expensive already. Okay, so above 620 still okay lah. Okay, so DRB Highcom. Okay, B auto cover already so we only DRB only. Okay, DRB. Okay, previously they have an attempt to break above 200 MAs but unfortunately fear potong steam Okay, now they are more on sideways mode. Okay, more on sideways mode. Okay, and pending for them to go back above 144, 146. So once they can go, then only got chance to make a comeback Otherwise, these counters at the moment, what I see is more on sideways. Okay, JT Group. Okay, Opstar for me already covered. Okay, I would say neutral. Okay, chances is still there. Okay, JT Group, what Jati Tinggi Okay, not the price is not tinggi yet lah. Okay, at the moment this is a new counters. Okay, they do attempt to come back, tapi no chance Now go back to support. 275 to 80. So I would say these counters may go sideways for the time being and maybe not so soon not so soon come back. You can see they have a strong sell. You can see what happened back then. 13th of March. Okay, high volume pump out, high volume pump out. Okay, macam yes tapi here started to sell down already. So I think they want to shake out more people and may take some time So I guess they may sideways for some time. 今晚很多人来问事 I think market is good Okay, RHB and B Auto. Okay, B Auto cover already We go for RHB Bank. RHB Bank. Wow, why they hit 557 and gonna retrace down. Okay, big trend point of view, these counters no problem. Okay, and short term point of view, they are like macam want to break 20 MA but for me it's still alright these counters. Okay, so long they are above 540, okay, no problem. Okay, below 540, maybe we need to see. Maybe short term not so strong. SCG. Okay, still okay. Still okay. Trend still okay. Yeah, still okay. Still okay. Okay, the only thing, okay, take note on the 580 resistance, which is a 2021 February resistance. Okay, they macam not so okay to go through 580 only lah. Okay, but trend point of view, I think, yeah, still okay. CMSB. Previously, okay. Recently, they made a strong comeback, go back above 200 MAs. Okay, momentum okay. Today, volume okay. And take note on the resistance 111 and 116. WCHB. Okay, WCHB recently they break below the 960 level, and tentatively they are trying to supported by the 200 MAs, which is about 850. Okay, so long they are above 850, maybe still ada chance, tapi below 850 memang no good already AGX covered already. Tech bond BND. Okay, that bond you if you look into the any potential EP if you see here sorry, if you see here they macam inside the box here is a resistance, here is a support. 455 is your immediate resistance, and 480 is your immediate next resistance. But for me, if potential to re-enter, yes. Okay, just that current price not so suitable because at quite near to the resistance already. So if coming days they go sideways, I guess still okay to consider. Okay, at least these counters no longer that bearish and more into sideways, and macam want to slope out lah. So I guess they do have potential. Okay, so worth to monitor. Yes. And MRO and NRB. Okay, not so strong as it 20 cross 50 already lah. Short term not so strong. And recently break below 173. Now testing the resistance 173. So for me, these counters, they do have potential to turn weak. Okay, so be careful lah. Oh, be careful. Upside versus downside potential. Down looks like more than up. Okay. First thing first is they have been topish around here for a couple of months, and second is they already break the support. Okay, now it's like they break down, sell down, they try to retest again. Okay, they try to make a comeback. Okay, when they come back to the resistance, the volume not so follow. Okay, macam not many buyer willing to buy at the price already. So for me, overall looks not so strong. Okay, for me looks not so strong. But if you die want to fight on, maybe you see 170 lah, huh? Stay above 170, maybe still at a chance since you are already EP 173 already. So if go below 170, maybe need to consider to get out first and re-enter when they re-enter when they maybe retrace to the lower price, maybe somewhere around 1.4 something. Okay, big trend point of view, no problem. They are still in the big trend. Only shorter term trend looks not so good. Okay, macam they need to have some healthy correction or what only will make another comeback. Okay, so I guess for the short term, uh, need some time lah. Oh, need some time. Okay, Carex covered already. What is MGB? Okay, let me see. MGB. Okay, it was in liquid counters recently, more on sideways trend, chance, other chance. Okay, you can see they are more on sideways. Now this is what I guess lah. So the trend, at least these counters already above the 200 MAs, I would say still all right. Okay, still all right. Just that they tested multiple times, 875, 890, unable to break through only. Oh, but I would say chances is still there. At least they are still in the uptrend. Okay, need some time only lah. And how about the Gadang? Okay, Gadang, big trend point of view, still in the uptrend. Okay, still in the uptrend. Okay, let me delete all these. Okay, at least already 200 MAs and slowly go up. Okay, the only thing is they are facing some resistance, like 2021 resistance, 2022 resistance. Okay, now macam more on struggle around here. Okay, you can see they are more on sideways. Okay, even they have a breakout, unable to go through, come back. So I assume yeah, may take some time. Okay, today price session is still okay. Other volumes, open gap up. The close low level, I think is still acceptable. So this one still okay, still okay. Okay, still okay. So hopefully tomorrow they can go above 410 lah. Then would be nice. Okay, but at least they now try to go above 40 cents already. I think is doing very good job. Okay. Then take note on your next resistance 450. Okay, this one overall is still okay. Lastly, CCEG no game. Hey, EG previously I think I commented they macam struggle at the 200 MAs. Okay, tapi I also got give them the last defense 135, 138. Okay, so far they never break below 135, 138. So yeah, now they are above 200 MAs. So no game, I think still okay. Okay, still watchable lah if you are interested. Okay, still watchable. Okay, 142 already lah. Okay, not yet no game. Okay, not yet game over. Still okay. Sense of cover already. Dark mode praise. Oh, sorry. I think yeah, we used to be the this mode lah. Okay, MMAG. Because if dark mode the indicator all might a little bit difficult to read lah. It will be too colorful for me lah. Or later the chart I need to it will be too colorful for me. Yeah, if black and white I would say feel easier for me to present. MMAG for me is a quite penny. Okay, not much comment I can say lah. I would say so long they are above 180 should be okay. Tapi the chart is still koyak already. Okay, short term possibility of KSM. Uh no, no. Okay. If you the chart is quite koyak lah. I would say it's quite how to say quite in liquid feeling lah. Okay, but if you think for the potential bounce up, okay, make sure the price stay above 6 ringgit. Okay, that's all. Okay, I would say it's quite uh the most you can do is just a short term bounce at the moment. Okay, IFCA. IFCA, oh, yet to hit my target too, tapi still alright, okay. Had a good pump back in 22nd of April. Then this following few days is more on sideways lah, nothing much, but still alright, so long they're above 380. Okay, IFCA is still alright. Okay, Top Glove finally come lah, so many victims inside. Okay, so I was expecting they might sideways for another few weeks, but today they come already. Okay, so huge volumes, pump up, and take note. Okay, support turn resistant now here. Support turn resistant. Okay, so it's about 895.90 would be your immediate resistance. Okay, I come late. I come late. Okay, DSC. Okay, 好梦财源滚滚，有钱不用不完。Okay, so we left two more, three more. Okay, Ying Sen first Ying Sen DSC GDP Ying Sen. Okay, Ying Sen supported by 235 So I guess okay, they are trying to defend this level. Okay, someone got volume supported, so I guess still okay. So hopefully they can clear 250 lah. If they can go above 250, should be safer for them. Okay, otherwise this is a resistant and also is a 200 MAs. Okay, at the moment and also 235. Okay, 235 is a support they always trying to support very hard. Okay, if one day they give out 235, they may turn into very downtrend. Okay, you can see since 2022 and then now they support very hard at 235 level. Okay, tapi if they break down, memang not so good already lah. Okay, GDP. GDP. Okay, let me see the US market. Okay, a bit profit taking. Okay, GDP, I think it's still okay, still above 20 MA. So make sure the price above 270, then should be okay. And they need to clear 30 cents. Clear 30 cents baru ada jalan. And these counters, yeah, at least what we see on the big trend point of view, it was a downtrending counters. Okay, then turn into sideways. Now they do have potential, make a comeback. Okay, they do have potential lah. No guarantee lah, but at least this counters is slowly going upwards. Okay, so hope still ada. Okay, and TCS, TCS. Let me see where is TCS. Okay, TCS still in a sideway 205, trying very hard, unable to go through. Okay, so chances I feel yes, not very high chance, tapi still ada chance. Okay, at least here got a high volume pump out, so I assume TCS may sideway for the time being until a breakthrough 205. Okay, break above 205, they baru boleh jalan. Otherwise, they might sideways dulu. Okay, last one last one. Deonte, I pronounce your name correctly. So please help me to share. Okay, Emulus. Wash down, supported by 320. A high volume pummer on 24th of April. So quiet for a couple of days already lah. So still okay lah. I would say they just break above 200 MAs. Now retest 200 MAs. So 320 is an important level for them. Okay, if the price can stay above 320, overall structure still okay. They still ada hope. Okay, tapi if they go below, close below 320, memang not so good already. Okay, we need to review again. Maybe they might turn into downtrend. Okay, if 320 can hold, okay, also indicate that these counters is still within the uptrend channel, right? Here is ngam ngam 320. If they can get supported, maybe they still got chance to continue go up. Tapi if they break below 320 means the uptrend channel sudah koyak. Okay, maybe they might go down 280 or even lower. So crucial level 320. Okay, so yep, that's for today. And yeah, do take note Wednesday is holiday. So no live session and also no Brusa session. So tomorrow would be considered a last trading days. Then market resume on tweet first due to they don't want to take overnight risk. Okay, maybe lah, huh? So take note. So and also thank you everyone for your time. If you yet to join my Telegram, okay, screenshot now, screenshot now. So at least if you got any urgent question, you can ask in the group lah. So I can try to answer if I'm available. Okay, so and also thank you Sifu for having me here. So yeah, they do have apps, very good apps available in the iOS and the Google Play Store. If you yet to download, okay, please go and download now. Okay, support us a bit. And also they have an interactive live chat for whoever who need a live chat. Okay, please, yeah, you can subscribe to their services. Okay, so thank you everyone and see you next Monday. Okay, next Monday 8:30 lah. Come earlier lah, so we can cover more. Okay, so thank you everyone and see you next week. Thank you.